We began in 1999 with a vision for educating blind students as we're setting up state-of-the-art technology programs in Washington state, convincing school districts that blind, deafblind, degenerative low vision, and any visually impaired student can really learn and use the same technology as their peers, though most sighted students did not have computers in the classroom yet. The videos might be a bit blurry due to the older technology, but the audio captures the powerful hum of fast fingers flying across keyboards, whether on computers or Braille devices. Students are mastering touch typing and brailing on various electronics, making it easier for their fingers, especially the small fingers, to finish work. Teachers and admin alike are amazed at how their blind students can keep up with their peers. The point is always to begin with the end in mind for success. This is Yelena. She's a senior, demonstrating email, opening attachments, and sending it to Word.
Log on password colon enter Outlook Express message with new attachment delete notes free attachment delete notes attachment the email author see attach enter see attachment from colon shift tag with new bit enter bit left parent one right parent at Microsoft Word edit caps lock is on colon adding caps lock on may cause you to tag OK button caps lock off OK button cancel space Outlook Express dialog OK button to activate.
Among the many roles the dog has played throughout history, none has proved more valuable than that of companion, and few breeds have proved more companionable than the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. The Cavalier's uncanny companionship capabilities stem from its remote spaniel roots, dogs that were bred to hunt in partnership with their masters. Exactly when and how the hunting spaniel became the toy spaniel has been lost in antiquity. The breeding of small dogs was perfect.
This is a 9th grader demonstrating an English-Spanish translation program online. Go ahead, begin, Humberto.
English-French translation 1 of 19. Enter. Forms model fresco. English, Spanish translation. Forms model. Enter. Virtual PC cursor. www.blinkachile. Enter. Forms model. www.blinkachile.com. Index. T H E I T A R E R R E C O R D I N G recording M E B F O R. That apostrophe is mine.
I will talk distinctly for you.
I will talk distinctly for you.
If you will only cooperate.
And
I get
get
to print what you're saying off.
11th grader using Duxbury, brailing on the keyboard, so they learn how to use the QWERTY keyboard as a typing instrument and a brailing instrument. He's deafblind, so we use another keyboard to communicate with him.
I do not like to be home. I want to go out. I want to be with the big coat. I want to have fun. I want to be like the big coat.
8th grade student reading Braille music. She reads her music first to learn the notes, and then she picks up her instrument to play the notes. Okay, ready?
Okay, so I'll let her know. From 2 to 5, the ESD, let's see, Denise is here today, she said yes, introductory training will be at ESD from 2 to 5.
Now, you. W-I-N-T. Oh no! S-N-O-W. Okay, you Braille. I have to do all the work. That's good, Laura.
That's enough?
Yes. Thank you.
Let me.
Okay. Begin.
Start menu 1 Micro Center. Leave K-A-L-E-I-G-H Cali and enter. S-C-O-O S-C-O-O-C-S S-C-H-O-O-L School I-S C-O-O-L Cool B-U-T Bud I-W-A-N-D Want T-H-T-H-H-O-2 G-O Go P-L-A-Y Play. School is cool, but I want to go play.
Go ahead.
My bestest friend Lucille, who sits next to me, stood up and fluffed her ruffled lips. I always control myself, don't I, teacher? She said.
Yep, that's right.
That's because my Nana
Hit your
taught
start
that
key.
like a little lady.
Down arrow
so
the word.
Timothy Jones should act more like me. Well, maybe
Enter.
we're always facing her. I do act like a little lady, you dumb bunny, Lucille.
Okay, go ahead and press your
And
clicker.
don't say that again or I'll knock your little fox
Go ahead and
off.
press your clicker.
Mrs. did a frown at me again. Just kidding, I said real quick.
Okay.
But for Mrs.
Let's
kept
spell
on frowning,
hi, shall
and she
we?
gave me a
Go ahead and wait till it scans back
punishment
around.
is the school word for sitting at a big table all by
Get
myself.
ready.
Punishment is when everybody's
Okay,
staring
go ahead
at
and
you,
stop.
and it makes you feel like P.U.
Wait.
That's how come I put my head down on the table, and I covered it up with my arms. Punishment takes the friendly right out of you.
Good, click.
And so at
Excellent.
recess, I
Nice job.
didn't
Okay,
speak
let's
to
bring it up
Lucille,
again.
and I didn't speak to my other bestest friend named Grace either. I just sat down in the grass all by myself, and I watched janitor paint the litter can. And I played with a stick and an ant, and that's all. I hate room
Okay, stop. Good girl. Wait.
Except for just then, I saw something very wonderful
Good.
in the
Wait for that
grass,
eye.
and its name was Two Cherry Lifesavers. Hey, I love those guys, I said.
Nice.
And then I
Click
quick
that.
picked one up and I blowed off the germs and I put them right back
Go ahead
into
and
my
hit your
mouth.
clicker again, and the
Wait,
eye will come
don't
out.
do that. shouted a loud
That
voice.
eye disappeared.
Spit that out right.
Begin.
A, B, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Yay!
Good job.
Go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Lindsay just finished her alphabet.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Yay! Nice job, you guys.
Pulled tight into a rectangle between them. Now, said Pillow, Amona jumped into the space between the rubber bands.
This is Rolando, 8th grade student, deaf-blind, uses a combination between amplified speech in his hearing aid, a Braille display, on an adaptive laptop. Uses a computer to complete work, and an adaptive laptop. And go ahead and read your display. It's a 10th grader demonstrating using a scanning program, open book, and a brilliant Braille display.
Open book 7.0. Page. Read only edit box 1. Open book 7. The page is upside down.
Even when the information is upside down, it straightens it right side up. Now she's going to launch it into Word.
Facts. 2. Word document 1-Microsoft Word.
And now JAWS begins to work. This is Miss Samantha. She is sewing on a piece of paper. Go ahead and Samantha, begin sewing. We always start the kids out on Braille piece of paper so they can actually practice sewing lines. This is Tasha. She's a 10th grade blind student. Go ahead and Tasha, demonstrate Word for us.
Desktop folder view list view. Unselected my documents. H-I space T-A-S-A-A. Control O. Open dialog. File name for C. Tab for tab. Enter. Shift tab. Folder view list view. 1 bin. 5 of 59. The group. 1 project net. 3 reflective paper. 1 project. 1 bin. Enter. 1 bin. Microsoft Word. Edit.
Go ahead and get into the internet now and switch between the internet and Word.
Alt F4. Alt F4. Microsoft Word. No but enter. Desktop folder view list view. Unselected my documents. I. The group for items. Press up or down arrow. Leaving menus. Page has 21 links.
Go ahead and get into Google and do a search.
Alt menu bar. Add the paper G. G. Genealogy data G. Google. Enter. Leaving menus. Cascade high school home page. Microsoft Internet Explorer. Edit. Google. Edit. Enter. Forms mode on. E. E-A-R-S. Enter. Forms mode on. Page has 73 links. Table M. Web. Link images. Link groups. Link directory. Link news. Search the web for links.
Go ahead and bring your links up.
Phone F7. Escape. Google search colon. There's. Links list dialog. Links list view. Go to Google Home. The master. References.
This is Yelena. She's a senior. She's demonstrating an adaptive laptop.
Document.
Can you show where the display is, Yelena? The Braille display on the Braille note? How you can read it also? Yeah. So it's got a Braille display. Thank you. Thank you. So it talks and she can read it either way. Thank you. Come and learn the newest computer skills with screen readers, Braille displays, and other blind tools to show off your intelligence at the speed of your brain movement on that computer. Find your free lessons on yourtechvision.com or contact us at techvisiontraining@yourtechvision.com for your increased learning.